Satyam Vada Dharmachara, Satyamev Jayate. Good morning, friends. Supravat. I am Vipul Kumar. Welcome all of you to today's news desk on income tax, GST, and corporate laws. Let's cover news on income tax. Kerala High Court directed authorities to pass rectification application as SSC was entitled for substantial tax refund. Where SSC submitted a rectification application stating that if amount involved in TDS were rectified, he would be legally entitled to a refund of rupees 3.34 crores, and in view of the financial hardship being faced by the SSC, assessing authority was to pass order on rectification application within 3 to 4 weeks time. Another case in Kolkata High Court held no infirmity in assessing officer action in tax sum received on account of family arrangement under section 28. In this case, where SSC filed a writ petition against an order of the income tax officer bringing an amount received by the SSC on account of family arrangement or rearrangement under section 28 clause 2a, since income tax officer had not acted without jurisdiction, the writ court should not interfere with impugned order. Thus, impugned orders writ petition could not be entertained. Ministry of Finance issued press release on 20th July 2020. CBDT signs MOU for sharing ITR related information to Ministry of MSME. A formal memorandum of understanding was signed between the CBDT and Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India for sharing of data. The MOU will facilitate seamless sharing of certain income tax return ITR related to information to Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. CBDT clarify exemption notification issued under section 194N prior to its amendment by Finance Act 2020 are valid. CBDT has clarified that 3 notifications issued under clause 5 of the proviso to section 194N shall be to be issued under 4th proviso to section 194N as amended by the Finance Act 2020. It is a note that the clause 5 of the proviso to section 194N prior to its amendment by the Finance Act 2020 has now become 4th proviso to the said section. Let's cover news on GST. GST portal update form GSTR 4 return is now available on portal. While notification number 21/2019 Central Tax dated 23rd April 2019, composition taxpayer are required to file form GSTR 4 return on annual basis. The due date for the financial year 2019-20 has been extended to 31st August 2020. Given the above form GSTR 4 is now made available on GST portal. Notably, offline tool has not been updated yet. Ministry of Finance issued press release on 21st July 2020. This is a very important news. CBDT and CBIC have signed a new memorandum on understanding for data exchange. The CBDT and CBIC have signed an MOU for data exchange. This MOU supersedes the MOU signed between the CBDT and CBIC in year 2015. In addition to regular exchange of data, both wings of Ministry of Finance could exchange with each other on request and a spontaneous basis any information available in their respective database which may have utility for the other. This is a very important news because this is a cross verification of the GST data with the income tax data or income tax data with the GST data. So please note this press release. This is very useful. In another case, Madras High Court, bail condition to be relaxed due to COVID-19 lockdown. Madras High Court, where petitioner arrested on allegation of the floating fake company filing fake e-way and cheating Department of 122 crore by producing fake Aadhaar card, were granted bail on non-submission of final report by police in view of COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. Bail condition were to be suitably modified. In another case, Madras High Court, transitional credit time limit under Rule 117 is mandatory and not directly held by the Madras High Court. Madras High Court ruled that the object and purpose of Section 140 clearly warrant the necessity of time limit for transitional credit to be finite. Time limit permitting availment of transitional ITC in perpetuity would render the provision unworkable. Thus, time limit under Rule 117 is mandatory and not directory. Another case, MP Madhya Pradesh High Court, presence of the advocate not required at time of the search proceeding under GST. Provision of Section 67 do not require presence of an advocate at time of search proceeding, and thus assessee request for same could not be allowed. Let's cover the news from company law. Delhi High Court, criminal proceeding can't be stayed under Section G91 subsection 6 of the Companies Act 1956 Act, as civil proceeding alone can be stayed. Criminal proceeding cannot be stayed under Section 391 subsection 6 of 1956 Act, as civil proceeding alone can be stayed, held by the Delhi High Court. Let's cover news from the SEBI. SEBI issued circular on 20th July 2020. SEBI comes up crucial circular on eligibility criteria for selection of underlying commodity futures for options. The SEBI has issued a circular regarding eligibility criteria for selection of underlying commodity futures for option on commodity future. The SEBI had prescribed the eligibility criteria for selection of the commodity future as underlying for options. The underlying future contract on the corresponding commodity shall be amongst the top 5 future contract in terms of total trading turnover value of previous 12 months by circular number SEBI. Another circular issued by SEBI on 21st July 2020. Clearing corporation are permitted to consider margin money granted as margin supporting position. SEBI clarified. SEBI had prescribed norms relating to a stress testing consultation with the clearing corporation to address the concern regarding high stress long loss figure on positions with early pay-in. Now it has been decided to review the stress testing methodology for position with early pay-in and insert a new clause wherein it is has clarified that the clearing corporation are permitted to consider margin money granted as margin supporting positions. Another circular issued by SEBI on 20 July 2020, SEBI unveiled framework to verify upfront collection of margins from clients. Based on the deliberation with the market participant with an objective to enable uniform verification of upfront collection of the margin from client by TMC, CM and levy of the penalty across segments, SEBI has come up with a new framework to verify upfront collection of margin from client with which will come into effect from December 1st, 2020. Let's cover news on IBC. NCL Bengaluru CIRP plea under Section 7 was premature when creditor had option to recover loan by disposing of the secured assets. Where financial creditor had disbursed loan to the corporate debtor against security of mortgage land, which was more than 3 times principal amount owed to it, and had option to recover disbursed loan by disposing of above secured asset. Financial creditor not being having exhausted remedy available to it as per the terms of the loan petition filed by the financial creditor under Section 7 against corporate debtor was premature. NCLT New Delhi, CIRP plea under Section 9 admitted as corporate debtor failed to raise dispute within 10 days from receipt of the demand notice, where respondent failed to make payment for services supplied by applicant, and moreover no notice of the dispute was raised within the prescribed period of the 10 days from the date of the receipt of notice under Section 8 subsection 2, application filed under Section 9 was to be admitted. In another case, NCLT CIRP plea filed under Section 9 rightly dismissed as monthly suit was already filed prior to the issuance of the demand notice, where prior to the issuance of demand notice by operational creditor, money suit had been filed by appellant operational creditor against corporate debtor. Application filed under Section 9 had rightly dismissed on ground of the pre-existence of dispute. Thank you so much for watching news on income tax, GST and corporate law. We are trying to covering all news, insurance law, banking, FEMA, international taxation, labor laws, SEBI, so that all regulation cover under one platform, under one news channel, so that professionals and students are updated on daily basis. Thank you so much. Please share this video among your friends. Thank you.